Hey, what's up guys? Shelby here, and we are gonna do a bike rack mount today called the Seasucker for my dirt jumper. I wanna go downtown, ride the skate park, and I've been waiting for this thing to get installed on the car. So we're gonna go ahead and try to put this on and see how easy it is and how it mounts up with the bike. Be pretty cool. All right, so we're gonna put this on. This is what's gonna reside on the front. And I had to get the 15 mil through axle adapter kit. So I'm gonna mount this right here basically. And I don't know if it goes this way or this way, but I don't think it really matters. That way we can put this on the front half of the car, and then we'll have a little strap on the back. So see how this goes. All right, so I got it on, got this on super tight. And now, got to figure out basically the wheel base length and make sure that I can fit this on the car properly. So I also need to make sure that everything's clean. So I'll need to clean off the section and the glass and or the trunk lid. So I'm gonna measure the bike from wheel to wheel and see how wide it is before we space it out. All right, so basically it's gonna have a Velcro strap on the bottom here and then the axle. So you're gonna wanna go about 45 inches or so. So we're gonna check and see kind of what that looks like. Don't know quite how far down. We're gonna put 45 right there. Or, I guess, I'll put this right here. Right, it's definitely nerve-wracking because I'm gonna be like putting this on my rooftop and I don't want it to warp the metal or anything, but we'll go ahead and see if we can make this happen. Let's see. Don't recommend doing this. Just use some water, soapy water, or something like that to wash this off. And then I say to wipe the suctions as well. Make sure there's no issues with adhesion. Watch, my bike's gonna fly off when we get on the freeway. And yeah, let's try this out. All right, so they say put a little pressure on and see the white part, we want that to be fully recessed inside the suction. Doesn't take that long, but it does have to catch. So a little bit of pressure there. I don't know if that's even straight. On this side. Only takes a few seconds, that's pretty cool. Pull it back out. Now they say it's got a lot of pressure, so we'll see. All right, for the back, we're gonna need to measure 45 inches. So right here, basically. And probably try and have it as centered as possible. So might be a little bit over here on the side. Clean it this way. Any stuff in there? Use your shirt. Added prevention. And then it'll be about right here. Let me double check. Should be about right. Maybe just a little bit lower. All right, the white's gone. Pull it out, pump, pull, pump. And then literally we just put the bike on there and see how this all actually unfolds, huh? Might be something I need there, huh? Definitely scary. Oh no. Okay. So definitely scary doing this the first time. For sure. Don't do this. And then slide the axle through, tighten it up a lot. And you're supposed to be able to trust that. Now, big thing to keep in mind is you're going to want to keep the back crank arms from moving. Last thing we want to do is see this slide and hit the car. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we strap the crank arm to the swing arm. I guess I'll be ordering a small all black bungee then, because that'll be a lot easier. There we go. I don't know, you guys think it'll stay? Alright, you can see I'm on the freeway, going about 65 or so. She's holding steady. No big deal so far. So we'll see if it makes it all the way to the park, but so far so good. Seems pretty chill. Looks pretty solid. Oh, looks like it worked. Still good. Now I just gotta get my front wheel out and pop it on. All right, so just got back, and all in all, this thing works super good. It stayed on, no issues, and yeah, it looks pretty sick. A little different, but super easy install. Went right on how you think it should, and worked on the freeway up to, I think I went like 85 or so, and around corners the whole bit. So definitely recommend.